Roete Jou Hart is a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. There are 2 tags in this dance. The teach and count. We start with the weight on the left. Section 1, we step right to right side, touch left next to right, step left to left side, touch right next to left, step right back, touch left toe forward, and a left shuffle forward. The weight's on the left, we're facing 12 o'clock, section 2. We do a quarter turn left and then step right to right side, touch left next to right, step left to left side, touch right next to left, rock right to the right side, recover on the left, step right behind left, a quarter turn left and step left forward. The weight's on the left, we're facing 6 o'clock, section 3, we rock forward on the right, recover on the left, a half a turn shuffle right. Now we're going to do another quarter turn right and then a Lindy to the left, quarter turn, side together, side, rock behind, recover on the left. The weight's on the left, we're facing 3 o'clock, section 4, step right to right side, step left next to right, right shuffle forward, step left to left side, step right next to left, left shuffle back. And then we start the dance again. The count. Section 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Tags. There are 2 tags in this dance. The first tag is at the end of the second wall facing 6 o'clock. It's an 8 count tag. The weight will be on the left. The tag is step right to right side, touch left next to right, step left to left side, touch right next to left. Step right diagonal forward, touch left next to right, and step left diagonal back and touch right next to left. The count for the tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The second tag is a 4 count tag at the end of the 6th wall, also facing 6 o'clock. The weight will be on the left. We're going to step right to right side, touch left next to right, step left to left side, touch right next to left. The count, 1, 2, 3, 4.